So we want to make x stand alone, that is making x subject of the formula. So making x what subject of the formula. Now what we need to do is what we call divide both side by. So this is the next step we have to take. And dividing both sides by what? Now to answer that question, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient beside x. And the coefficient is what? We have 2. So we are dividing both sides by what? 2. We are dividing both sides by 2. Now let's do that. So we have 2x equals minus 2 all over 2 all over 2. Then 2 cancels 2. Then x equals 2 here 1 2 here 1, giving us what? Minus 1. So this is 2 divided by 2 is 1, and because the number is a negative number, so we have a negative 1. So now this is our final answer. But now to explain how the second function of an equality sign links back to the first function of the equality sign is what I'm going to show you right now. So after having this, since this is our equation that we used, so now let's just plug in this value right here. Since x is this, so anyway we see x, we substitute our value. So let's just substitute our value and see whether what we're doing is correct, and see whether our answer is correct actually. So let's check it. So we have 2 open bracket minus 1 plus 3 equals what? 1. And 2 times minus 1 is that minus 2 plus what? 3 equals 1. Then minus 2 plus 3 is another aspect of mathematics that you need to focus on. Now take this minus as owing something. Let's say owing particular amount of money. For example, I owe someone 2 naira and I have 3 naira. So this minus, always know the minus, always know that this 2 is the owner of this minus here, and this 3 is the owner of this plus. So plus is I have, so I have 3 naira and I'm owing someone 2 naira. So if I pay the amount of money that I'm owing from my 3 naira, so how much do I have left? I have what? 1 naira. So now we finally now have 1 equals to 1. So now we know that we are correct. Now this is now leading us back to our first function of the equality sign. So that's why I said our equality signs really normally it has only one function. So let's have another example. Let's have 5x plus 5 equals 10. Now to solve this, what we do is what's called let's light time. So let me make it an abbreviation, CLT. So now we take this 5 to the other side. Then we have 5x equals 10. Our sign changes to what? Minus. Then we have minus 5. Then we have 5x equals 10 minus 5, 5. Then we divide both sides by what? The coefficient, which is what? 5. Then we have 5x equals 5 all over 5 all over 5. Then 5 cancels 5. Then our x is what? 1. So now let's check whether our answer is really correct. So by plugging in this 1 into this x, so we have 1 plus 5 plus 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10, then 10 equals what? 10, showing us that we are correct actually. So that's all on this video. I hope that you understand everything I've been explaining. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, so I can know what you think about this video, and share it to your friends.